500 choirs that got submitted, and out of all those choirs, it was us. It's astronomically crazy, but it's amazing. Like the feeling that you get, like, wow, like I helped do that, you know, like I was a part of that. It feels great.
Wow, we did this. I can't believe this happened. It's just a lot of wow.
I expect a lot out of my students. They're like, these are children that work hard, and they understand that that is the expectation in this room. It is moments like this. It is awards like this or recognitions like this, which remind these young students that it's worth it. You know, like nobody needs a trophy, nobody needs an award, but sometimes it's nice. You know, sometimes they do appreciate that somebody else sees that the work that they have put in is valued and it is quality.
We all feel strongly about winning things. It's like we're family, we're connected, we all have that same goal, similar goal, is to like strive to do your best. And knowing that we won feels like great.
Knowing we did so good and knowing how much work we put into it and how hard we were working to get as good as we were, it was a great feeling.